Inventor Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bat clothes hanger. A clothes hanger? We already have one. Yeah, well, this one's going to be special because we made it. And it's going to be designed after a upside down hanging bat. So what you're going to need is some brown paper would be awesome. A long little wooden dowel. Scissors, a pencil, and anyways, here we go. A pipe cleaner, craft pipe cleaner. So get those materials, then we will start. Okay, so first we're going to need to draw like a bat shape, right? So you're going to need to draw its head and wings. So I'm going to draw the bat shape and then show you. Okay, here is the shape for the bat, and as you can see, I did not draw any wings, and these are the feet, which are just going to be the pipe cleaner, so that doesn't really, so you don't have to cut those out. And then, using your scissors, you're going to, just like I said, cut those out. So go ahead and cut out the whole entire body shape. Oh, and also, if you don't have a pipe cleaner, I think it's okay if you use just use some string or twine or something like that. Okay, almost done. Right around the ears. And still. Set that aside. And ta-da, here's my little bat face. If you want to draw some eyes on it, you can, but I think it'd be best with a Sharpie or marker or pen, so then you can actually see them. And if you don't have bond paper, that's okay. Just color the paper brown. Ta-da! My little bat. Alright. Oh, and also one thing I did not mention you are going to need is either glue or some tape. I think tape would be good. Okay. Gotta get in a good position. Keep it up there and then just hold it up to show you. So what you're going to do is put the wooden dowel up to right there. Then take some tape and tape it on. You got tape right here because that tape, believe it or not, ran out. Right. So hold it up like that. And then just tape it on there. See, ta-da! But just one piece of tape will hold it down. So I'm gonna take some more tape and then tape it right there. And then just keep taping or gluing until it feels secure, okay? And then I'll show you how to do the feet. Got it? Got it. Alright, and ta-da! My little bat. Now, this is where the pipe cleaner is in. Why do I keep forgetting its name? So you're going to take those scissors and try to cut it in half. May need some adult's help or adult scissors, unless if you're allowed to use adult scissors to cut it. Oh wait, okay. Got the feet, and as you can see, they're different sizes, but that's okay. So what you're gonna do is get 2 pieces of tape, put them on the table, there. And then tape it on, so it's sort of like the 2 little claws almost, 2 little claws. Even though I know that bats probably have more than 1 claw. So go ahead and stick those on. So do 1, 2. tape on the elbow. And then, doop. Now I'm just gonna add like a little more tape to reinforce it. Add some right there. You may want to add like a bunch of tape, so then it's easier. There, ta-da! So now that we've got that, you can go ahead and sort of put it that. Oh, and one thing that would be helpful is just something like to test on. So I'm gonna take off my lab coat, jacket, test it, and test it. So it would probably go something maybe like this, and yeah, ta-da! So now, and you're probably wondering why the strange feet. Well, this way you can tie it on to whatever you hang it on. So yeah, that's how you make a back clothes hanger. Bye!